Okay, so this is our miter saw or chop saw. And first thing to do is make sure you have your dust collection connected to this. So if it's on the band saw here, you can take it off, bring it over, and plug it in right there to the chop saw. Also we need power, of course, so unplug your band saw if you need to. And we'll plug this in here like that, so it's ready to go, okay? And then two things about this. You have to bring up this arm, you grab this button, push the arm down, and pull out the button. Like that. Okay? To put it back down, you push the button in like this. Okay, so one more time. You're gonna push it down with your hand here, pull the button out, and now it's ready to release. Okay? It has a light right here, and a laser, which is kind of cool. And it's not gonna cut your hand, don't worry. It's just for marking on the wood. Okay? So you have both of those. To cut a piece of wood, you want to have it marked. Wherever it's going to be, you want to mark your wood. And then notice that the laser has two lines. And you want to bring I'm not going to cut it right now, but you bring it down. And notice that the saw is in between the two lines like that. That's where the teeth are. Okay, so make sure you realize the saw, we look either cut on the right or left hand side of your line right there. So we'll cut this on the right. To turn it on, you're gonna push this with your thumb and then squeeze this lever here with your hand together. Okay, so once again, you're gonna squeeze this one here and pull with your hand on this lever right there. Okay, here we go, we'll try this. When you're cutting, use your hands to push the material against the back fence here, all the way back, and hold on to it tightly so it doesn't jump or pull away. And then just let the motor start, make your cut, wait till it finishes, and then raise it up. Okay, so start it. Should do it for that. It has another option on this machine, which has a sliding cut. And over here on this side, you basically release this knob right here, like this. Release it, lefty-loosey, and now it slides back and forth like this. Okay, so you may ask why you need that. Well, what you can do is you can cut through a piece of plywood like this. If I have a piece of plywood that needs a long cut like this, then you know where it's going to be cut, of course. I can hold on to it like this, and please note that you slide it all the way out first. Please do not begin the cut back here because it'll pull towards you and be hard to hold on to, so bring it out here, bring it down, start your cut, and then move this way along the wood, okay? So I'm gonna come out here, cut in, and move this direction along the wood. Okay, here we go. Turn it on. That's how you use the sliding cut. To go back then, always make sure this is back in position all the way back, and then tighten this knob up so that it can't move out. To put it away, bring it down, push in your pin, and then it's ready for the next person, okay? Generally we'll have somebody vacuum this off at the end of the period so that it's clean. You can turn off the light and the laser, and it's ready to go. Okay.